Samsung is a huge name in tech. They're always pushing boundaries. From phones to TVs, they make it all. Their Galaxy phones are super popular. People love their design and features. Samsung is known for its innovation. Samsung always wants to be the best. They bring new ideas to the table. They want to give users the best experience. Let's see what they are up to. There's a lot happening at Samsung. Samsung is making big moves with foldable phones. The Galaxy Z Flip FE is coming to more places. People in India and the UAE will soon be able to buy it. This phone is all about style and portability. It folds in half, making it super compact. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is another impressive foldable. It's a powerhouse for productivity. The battery life is surprisingly good. This is impressive given its smaller battery size. Samsung is showing that foldable phones can be practical too. Samsung is all about software updates. One UI 7 is on the horizon. It's expected to bring cool new features. One of them is the AI filter. This lets you create custom filters with AI. It was first on the Galaxy S25. Now it's coming to older Galaxy phones. Samsung also cares about security. They're rolling out updates for a bunch of devices. The Galaxy A52s, A53, and A54 are getting the latest security patches. This shows that Samsung is committed to keeping your phone safe. Samsung is killing it in the premium phone market. They are outselling other Android brands. People love their high-end Galaxy phones. Samsung is also making waves in other areas. They just launched the 2025 Odyssey OLED G8 gaming monitor, and there's more. Samsung is improving its camera tech. They are integrating Expert RAW's 24-megapixel mode into the stock camera app. This means better image quality for everyday photos. Samsung is on fire. They are innovating across the board. From phones to monitors, they are a force to be reckoned with.